Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello. My name is Nur Ahmad Rasul Muslimin from class Geography Science. Okay, on this session, I will explain about the geographic phenomenon that is rain. But before that, I will say a few words of wisdom that inshallah can change our mindsets. Okay, rain is a form of Allah's grace, so be thankful when it comes to rain because there is God's grace. Okay, definition of the rain. What is meant by rain? Rain is precipitation event or the fall of liquid from the atmosphere that is both liquid and frozen to the surface of the earth in the form of a liquid. On earth, rain is the process of condensing water vapor in the atmosphere into grains of water heavy enough to fall and usually arrive on land. The process of rain. What is the process of rain? Okay, process of the rain. The first, the water evaporates because of the sun's heat. The sun's heat can cause water to evaporate into the air, be it seawater, river water, or lake water, as well as water from the content of other living beings. In the second, water vapors become solid and separate. Dew is formed from small drops of water so that the air temperature gets higher and will make it solidify into clouds. And air temperature then plays an important role in the condensation process, namely the condensation of water vapor, and then it will become dew. The process of the rain, the third. Small people become great because the wind dropping. The existence of gas of wind can then make clouds that have formed move to other places. The collection of small clouds will then merge to form large cloud. The presence of gas of wind can then make clouds that have formed move to other places. And the process of the rain. And the last, or the fourth, rain dawn. After the clouds get gray, then the points of water become heavier. As a result, the water points are no longer unstoppable and will also make water drops fall to the surface of the earth. Okay, next, kind of rain. What the kind of rain? The first, cyclonal rain. Cyclonal rain will occur because of the hot air, high ambient temperature, and in conjunction with swirling winds. Generally occur in areas that are crossed by the equator or the equator. This is caused due to meeting of two winds, namely the northern trade winds with the south trade winds. After that, the wind rests, then climbs above the clouds that are on the equator. And the second, frontal rain. Frontal rain is a type of rain that can occur because of the meeting between the mass of cool air and low temperatures with the mass of hot air and high temperatures. And this cause the stream carried by cold air will fall heavily on the surface of the earth. In general, the difference between the two mesh meet in the front plane, which is one of the best place for the condensation and cloud formation to occur. That is why the name of this rain is frontal rain. And the third, zenithal rain. The zenithal rain occurs due to the meeting of the northeast trade winds with the southeast trade winds, so that they form looms and rise vertically due to exposure to the clouds. Because the location of this rain is above the imaginary kind of the equator, it is called the zenithal rain. In general, areas that are often visited by zenithal rain have a climate in the country that is tropical like the climate in Indonesia, with high intensity of solar radiation because almost every year it gets irradiated. And the fourth, monsoon rain. This monsoon rain occurs because of the manual pseudo movement of the sun with a northern return line and southern return line. This rain falls in a certain period of time, and it is from this cause that then cause the dry and rainy seasons. In Indonesia, monsoon after occur usually in October to April. So usually this month often comes the rain season. Meanwhile, besides the month, the state of Indonesia is in the dry season. In addition, in several East Asian countries, monsoons also occur in May to August. And the last, the five, the orographic rain. Orographic rain is rain that occurs because of the wind containing water vapor. Then the direction of movement of orographic rain horizontally. The trip must pass through the mountains of the wind, which can cause cold temperatures due to the condensation process. Then because the weight of the mass of water produced is getting bigger, which cannot be carried by the wind, it. Okay, next, impact of rain. The question, whether the rain has a negative or positive impact? Yes, the rain has a negative or positive impact. Positive impact in humans. In humans, rain can be used as daily necessities such as drink, washing, industrial, even though PDAM, treatment, or self-filtering. And the second, plants and trees. In plants and trees, rain can be useful for storing water, dissolving minerals, and fertilizing plants. And the animals, rain use it to help dig fat. As for the other positive impact of the rain, 1. Improving the overall fertility of agricultural land. 2. Sources of clean water for living beings. 3. Can be used as a source of PLTA. 4. Source of life for fishes. 5. Conserving nature and the environment. 6. Maintaining the sustainability of forests. 7. Maintaining the availability of groundwater. And the last, improving air quality. A negative impact from rain. Flood. If the rain that comes is to begin an environment area that has been damaged, that is, the drainage of river water can cause flooding. Landslide. Rain is also a major cause of natural disaster caused by landslides as a result of soil erosion in the soil layers in the earth, rose, or as a result of the impact of illegal logging. And the animals, yes. Okay, how to minimize the negative impact of rain? To be able to minimize the negative impacts caused by rain, then we should always maintain the function of the environment for humans by preserving the lake, preserving the forest, carrying out the meaning of reforestation. Okay, well, maybe this is all I can say. Hopefully it will benefit us all. More or less, please forgive. It's all and accept the case. I think so, and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.